And this right here, the Morning Garden Show, there we go. We got flowers. And then over here, this is the compost used this year. Two something a bag. So I take a whole bag of that, I walk it over here where my factory is, and I got my topsoil here. People tell you this is good for filling holes. Trust me, it'll grow great plants. I've been using it for years. Then I got my peat moss. I add equal amounts of each into my, what I got here. This is my mixing container. A child's swimming pool. Yeah. Okay, then I go over here, and these are some new ones been added. The gray one's been added today. And then I added some more. This is a new one here that's folded over. There's just seeds in it. These totes are 18-gallon totes. And right here is a hole in each end of them, drilled in just 2 inches above the bottom. And that's for drainage, so that they don't ever flood over in a storm. These right here, that's my, what do you call this thing? Kiwi. It's a hardy seaweed, kiwi. It doesn't need another plant to produce. Then you got your plant here. What is this right here? This is pomegranate. Wonderful. There it is. Got it for 10 bucks. Paid a little bit too much for it, I think. There's a corn there, and they're doing really good. These were left in trays, and they were going to just be dead. And so I said, wait a minute. Wait 1 minute. I don't throw anything away. And then I put them in these containers. Like I said, the same way with the hole in the bottom. And they are, well, on each corner, 2 inches above the, and they're doing great. Next thing I'll be planting over here in my other area is my watermelons and cantaloupe. See the bags here? That's compost and manure. There's about 4 bags there. I might put one all the way up in this corner. I see where I could get away with it because I'm seeing that the sun comes all the way up in this corner. It doesn't look neat, folks, but trust me, I work on anything that's effective. See that right there? All I got to do is get that same black tarp, see if I have another piece of it, put it down here, cover all those weeds, and that way they don't grow all around the bags too much. Then I'll go over here, trim this back. This is where my blueberries are. See? A little blueberry there. I think, well, that one doesn't have that many. These do. Blueberries. Different varieties. All right, so I'm looking good, folks. I'm just waiting for knowledge and time to do the rest. So if you want to grow some corn in these totes, I say do it, because the great thing about it, you can move these to the side. You could mow around them. You can move them in different areas. If the sun is not right in this area, you can move them. And so they at Walmart, these little totes. I'm not advertising for them. I think you can get them cheap online though. I see them for $3, but when you go to the store, they're like $6. So this is the one I found yesterday. The tote was great. I like to use the what they call it. I like to use the green ones because they match in with the background. So, but I couldn't find them, so I grabbed what I could. All right, folks. Please do me a favor. Write something, comments, and subscribe. This is the Morning Gardener Show.